problem on your hand. Do you care to elaborate?
Yes, well, and thank you for the question. Obviously, banning the plastic bags in Mill Mine has meant that residents of our town need to find other bag alternatives. So these are reusable bags. These are those fabric-made bags that begin to collect and gather in your closet and that you're meant to bring to the grocery store. And then, of course, you get to the grocery store and say, oh, forgot to bring those bags. And, you know, there's no plastic bags. You need to purchase more bags. So what we found is simply a buildup of these manufactured, quote-unquote, reusable bags. And a buildup to the point that it's actually becoming a bit problematic here in Mill Mine.
Okay, so why is that a bad thing?
Well, first of all, you have to ask yourself, what are these bags made of? I mean, I'm actually, hold on a second here. Can you hear that?
Yes, yeah, I can hear that.
That's one of these bags. One of these reusable bags that's meant to be a better choice. And I question whether we're really better off. And I have to tell you on more than one occasion, just simply because we end up gathering so many of these, well, we've had to throw a couple of them out, or my wife keeps on saying, well, stop throwing those out. You're only adding to the problem, so she'll take them out to the backyard and just burn them. But getting rid of plastic bags has just simply put us in another bag problem.
So what's the solution then, you think? What is Mill Mine planning on doing?
Well, you know, it's hard to know what the right solution is, but what we've decided to do here in Mill Mine is just simply do a full bag ban. And that would be all bags. No plastic bags, there's absolutely no more reusable bags, just no bags.
Okay, so how are you expecting residents to function then without being able to use a bag when they're out shopping for their goods?
I think what it means is that in order to be on the leading edge of some of these environmental plans, well, we do need to change how we're living. And so that will simply mean that when you're making trips to the grocery store without bags,